Superior Tray is a medium-sized company of about 20 people. Our market presence and output per year are equivalent to a company 2 or 3 times our size. This is made possible by the coordination between our experienced engineering and fabrication teams and our expanding automation department. We are based in Canada and we design for the Canadian and North American markets. The goal of Superior Tray Systems is to have a global presence and manufacturing facilities around the world. The main focus of Superior Tray is custom design and manufacturing of cable bus systems. Our support block that braces the cables is 1/3 to 1/2 the weight of traditional systems. It is fire retardant, sunlight resistant, and incredibly strong. We cultivate personal relationships with our clients so that when an issue comes up, a decision can be made in the morning and implemented that afternoon. We enjoy doing what no one else can do. The more difficult the job is, the more we excel.